Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is LeetCode 55 jump game. In this question, you given an array nums, you are positioned at the first index and you just have to find whether you can reach the last index or not. Okay, the jump should be minimum, or you just have to check whether you can reach to the last index or not. If you reach to the last index, then you just have to return the true, or if you not reach to the last index, then you just have to return the false. Okay, so in this question, first you have to find the max index. Okay, max index, which is 0, and then you just have to traverse through the nums. For int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size and then I plus plus, and do one thing, you have to check the condition. If I is greater than max idx, then you just have to return the false. Okay, return false. Else if it is not exist, then you just have to do one thing, rewrite the value of max index. Okay, max idx is equals to max of max idx comma I plus nums of I. Okay, you just have to do rewrite the value of max idx, and after that you just have to return the true. Let's run this code whether this is running properly or not. There is an error, max idx. Okay, let's run one more time. Yeah, this one is fine. Let's submit this code. Thanks for watching.